So every once a year, Apple releases like a new color of limited run Apple Watch bands. And production ends really quick. And this band over here is a replica of a very limited Apple Watch band that Apple was giving away to its Apple employees only, which was an Apple only employee competition that you had to complete your activity rings for 1 month straight, I believe it was. And the employees that succeeded was rewarded with this style Apple Watch band. And these colors at the very end, they replicate the little rings. So we have that green, that neon green, and that blue. Just however, I did notice that the blue on the replica one is kind of off. And instead of having like nice smooth edges like my Nike one, for example, this is the official one. That one has more pointier edges for some reason, not sure why. And the blue is also slightly off. Other than that, I mean, like the blue part's only gonna be facing you primarily, so nobody else will really be able to tell. And the colors that count, the ones that are outside where everybody can view it, those actually look to be accurate. Now the only issue with this band though, I believe the official one is supposed to be reflective. Now this Nike Plus one, this is official. This came with my Apple Watch Nike Plus edition, and this is the black one. And this one has reflective threads inside of it. And if we compare the two in a dark environment, you can see the reflection off the official Nike one. This other one that I paid $1.50 for, you can see it doesn't reflect as much. But the texture itself, I mean, like feels very similar to the official Apple one. The stitching that goes along the edges, there's no imperfections. It looks 100% identical to the official Apple one. So I bet if you walked into the Apple store and an Apple employee noticed this band, they'll probably think you were once an Apple employee or you work somewhere else. It's kind of funny. But now let's go ahead and take a look at the other Smart colors. Now they have the exact same material. The stitching's 100% identical. And after comparing it with a couple other videos I found on YouTube, I kid you not, it looks like 100% identical. Even this little silver piece over here is what the official one actually has too. The only way you could tell this is a replica is if you actually open it up, because the Velcro is white, it's not color matching with the band. And also there's no official Apple label right here as well. But that's it. From an exterior point of view, especially from a distance, it will fool anybody thinking that this is an actual official one. That's crazy. And then the dimension on the clips, the latch where it attaches to the Apple Watch, I mean, like, it's perfect. It sits nice and flush. There's no edges that stand out or poke out. It's crazy. It's possible this could have came directly out of the same factory that produced the Apple Watch bands, because I don't see a difference in quality. And then moving on, let's go ahead and take a look at that Pride band. If we switch our watch face to the Pride, the color pattern lines up perfectly with the Apple Watch Pride watch face. The purple stitching on the edge, there's no imperfections. The right stitching on the edge, it's perfect. Even this little plastic piece on the very end, I mean, it's solid. I cannot rip this off, even with force. So this pink purplish looking one, this is the Apple replica of the dragon fruit. And this blue one is like cornflower, which has like a little bit of somewhat like an orange and yellowish texture in the middle that gives it a really unique look. And once again, comparing it with another video I was watching on YouTube with the official one, even the official one has the same texture from what I was noticing when I was watching the One and Only YouTube channel. And then the canary yellow looks very bright. It's very bright. I mean, like, I'm not gonna lie, it's very bright on the edges and has like a dark orange tint in the middle. But again, from a distance, I'm genuinely pleased how well these things look. My personal favorite still has to be the exclusive employee band, even though this is a 100% replica. But really, the only way you could tell that this is a replica, that is, this blue doesn't look as blue like the official one does. And from a distance, it does look like it does give out some kind of reflection, but as we saw in the video, it doesn't really reflect that much sunlight like the official Nike one does. But all in all, I'm genuinely pleased. I'm really surprised at the quality. If you would have blindfolded me and put one of these bands on me, it would fool me in thinking that this is actually an official Apple Watch loop band. And since all these bands cost a total of just about $8, I mean, I did have to wait like a week and a half for them to arrive, but I mean, like, it's totally worth it. It still is a lot less than what Apple will charge for just one of these. So, but that was a quick overview of these clone Apple Watch bands. You can find these sellers like on AliExpress, which was where I got mine. and this one still has to be my favorite, so I'm really satisfied. But that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, want to see another one, maybe other clone bands, maybe like an overhaul of all of them, I'll tell you how much I spend and the saving costs from buying all the clone Apple Watch bands over the official one. Let me know down in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe for that video. But that's gonna be it. Again, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.